Hey guys, it is a Badger Bucks store time. This year is a little bit different, and you won't be going down to the Badger store shopping. Instead, it's kind of like your parents and you maybe shop on Amazon and you get a flyer. So we have a catalog and you get to see pictures of all of the different items that you can choose from. So you are about to get your Badger Dash. It's kind of like DoorDash delivery, but you will have your catalog and you'll get to choose your items. So teachers, make sure that every student has one of these and we can go over this together. We don't necessarily need a pencil right now. We're just going over the directions to see if they can remember and follow along. So everybody put on your thinking caps and get your Badger Bucks catalog ready to go. So stop the video until everyone has this and then we'll go over it. All right, so you have your Badger Dash delivery. You're gonna write your name or maybe your teacher wrote your name, okay? Teacher, put your teacher's name over here. Grade level, what grade level are you in? Are you pre-K, are you kindergarten, are you first grade, are you second grade? Put that there. Now, here's the big one. How much money do you have to spend? How much money do you want to spend? I don't know. Sometimes I want to spend money, but sometimes I also want to save it for a bigger thing. So if I'm looking back here at the back page and I know that, I want to come play games with Miss Morris and that's going to be 80 Badger Bucks, then I may want to save mine until I have 80 Badger Bucks. If I am like Miss Morris sometimes and I want to spend all my money right now, then I may have to know how much money I have. So you're going to put, or your teacher, one or the other, is going to put how much money that you have to spend, okay? We're going to have to do a little math. Now, when you are looking over this, there's a lot to choose from. You got a front and you have a back. But guess what? You, this time, can choose two circles. So as we're looking through here, I'm like, what do I want? Well, if I only have 10 Badger Bucks, that means that I've still got to collect some more. So maybe this time is not my time to shop, okay? But you can still look through here and see what items do you may want to save up for, and what items might I want to be extra good for so I can get some Badger Bucks. I've heard that in the cafeteria, there could be some Badger Bucks this week. Now, so if I look through here and I start to decide, I don't know, do I want the unicorn slime or, do I want the monster eyeball rings? There's a lot of good choices on here, but you're going to have to make it. How many choices can we make? 2. So we will have 2 circles on our Badger delivery order form. So teachers, stop the video, let them peruse or look over the flyer and choose what they think they may want. Okay, now you've made your decisions. You can circle what you want, but now you have to make sure, does it add up to the right Badger Buck amount that I have gotten? Now, I'm going to tell you the truth. Sometimes Miss Morris's bank account is not quite as big as what she would want it to be. And so those new pair of shoes, or maybe those zipper bracelets, or oh my gosh, the Dino monster trucks, she can't get that yet because she doesn't have enough money saved in her savings account. So it's okay. She's not going to be upset because she knows that she can raise some more Badger Bucks by being good either in the classroom, in the hallway, or even in the cafeteria. And we're going to put those to good use. We're going to save them. And then next 6 weeks, we can order whatever we think that we may want to. It's like setting a goal. It's a financial goal. We may want to be on a budget. Okay? So make sure that you are only circling how many? Right, 2. And then teachers, once that you have looked this over, there's 2 circled and their amount equals the amount of Badger Bucks, you can turn these into the office. All right? This is something that can be happening in the classroom, doesn't need to go home. And you have a deadline, and teachers, that deadline is on the important events calendar. Okay? Then, students, once you put in your orders, just like your parents order from Amazon, the little elves behind the scenes will place your orders and they'll fill your orders. And then the Badger Dash will be delivering these items to your classrooms. And then all the lucky smiles. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask Ms. Morris. Thank you and happy shopping.